On April 10, 1912, the Titanic, the largest and the most luxurious ship of its time, set sail on its maiden voyage, embarking on a journey that would later become one of the most tragic stories in the maritime
The Titanic was a new breed of luxury liner.
Titanic left port in Southampton, England.
Among her passengers were many of the wealthy and influential. The band played the gayest tunes and American ragtime dances. The time was 11:40.
The iceberg grazed the right side of the ship.
And all of a sudden she lifted up quickly. Everything that was movable was going through her.
I didn't think it was serious because I didn't think it was possible. A big ship like that could sink.
The ship was en route to New York City from the Southampton, England, carrying over 2,200 passengers and crew members, each with their own dreams and aspirations. However, just 4 days into the voyage, tragedy struck as the Titanic collides with an iceberg, leading to the unthinkable sinking of an unsinkable ship. Into icy waters of a northern Atlantic, chaos and panic ensued. The inadequate number of lifeboats and the lack of proper emergency procedure led to the devastating loss of life, with over 1,500 people meeting the untimely end. The sinking of the Titanic not only resulted into a profound loss of life but also triggered widespread changes in the maritime regulation, leading to the implementation of stricter safety measures for passenger ships. Over a century later, the story of the Titanic continues to captivate the world, with numerous expeditions to the wreckage shedding light of tragic event of the faithful night and serving as a reminder of the fragility of human endeavors in the face of the nature's power. The legacy of the Titanic serves a poignant reminder to the importance of learning from the past tragedies, ensuring that the memories of those who perished their lives on through the lessons we continue to learn from these historical disasters. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more historical insights. Thank you.